light, 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 light. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Queen Rack and I'm back with another video. Please guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more content. Stay tuned guys. This video I'll be doing an unboxing. I purchased some items from Amazon. I had a previous ring light and stuff, but it got broken, so I need to repurchase another one. And I'm about to unbox it. I just got it. Shipping was horrible with Prime for the holiday because, you know, it's the holiday season and stuff kind of gets slow. But I just realized that it came tonight, so I said, okay, why not just unbox it tonight? So let's get right into the video. I'm not sure what is in this box, but I did purchase a mount for my dashboard, and because I realized that I'm doing a lot of driving and vlogging, and I have to keep on holding the phone, and I didn't want that. So I purchased a mount for my dashboard. I purchased a ring light, a really good ring light, and some studio lights as well. So proper lighting, that's my thing. In order to have very bigger quality, we need good lighting. So first, I'll be showing you this one, and if I'm pronouncing it right, it is the Hottie brand. It is called the Smart Car Mount. It's from the Hottie brand. I'm gonna open it to show you guys. So we have this little part here. We have this part. I guess this is the mount kind of part. Okay. And then we have, so this is the part that if you want to put it on the dashboard, you put this down first, and then here. And the instruction is inside. I definitely will need the instruction. And then we have this section that you can either put it, you can either mount it on the glass, the water rinse, the suction cup, you can either mount it on the glass, and the other part is for if you want to mount it on the dashboard. I think I might do it on the dashboard though. And this is how this part looks, and it's a 360 thing right there. I hope it's 360 or 260 I believe, but there's the ball right there, pivot ball or something like that. And it says push the lever to lock. Okay, so push the lever to lock, and this is how it looks. So I guess you just put it on like that, and this is how it looks. Yeah, really. Alright, so that's that part, and I just want to stick it back in the box until I'm ready to put it in the car. More than likely I'm gonna get it done tomorrow. Put it in the car tomorrow evening or so. As it's full right now, I'm not going out there. And I will show you how it looks in the car when I put it down. So that's one item. This other one is from the, I think this is the lighting, studio lighting it's from the ubeesize brand. I think I really like that brand. I have the tripod, and I also bought the ring light is from the same company. Amazon mess up for this. Not even the little plug-in part. Disappointed. Not even the base. Then I don't get with this. So how do I set the plug in? What do I set the plug in? Not even the base. That's crazy. We don't know. This I figure look on base. Oh, never mind. Probably not carrying on it. Oh, okay. This was a waste of money. That's it about. Part, I guess you have the press, and I saw a remote in the box as well, but this is how it's looking so far. This is the mount, so I'm gonna set it like this. The mount right there, and then I guess we have the lighting part. Take my long time to unscrew, so I'm just showing you. Let me move this out of the way for a second. I'm showing you the charging part, or the power card. Yes, power card. So I guess this one goes in this one. So this one pours in that, and then this pours in this one, and unravels this. I'm gonna pour it, I'm gonna plug it in. I'm so excited. Plug it in, Like I just think like good lighting is like on top of good camera quality. Good lighting is everything. Good lighting is everything. Okay, so when I plugged it in, I don't know what part I chip up soon. I hope this touch work. Click on it. Oh yeah. The plastic must be over this because it's always paper. So anyways, I plugged it in on this green light. And this green light, I'm gonna turn this around. This green light came in and I'm gonna turn it around. It's now sturdy. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in, turn it on. Woo! Light! Light! Like militarily excited. Light! So this is how bright it is. You're gonna see the difference. So I'm gonna move my phone from the tripod, and put it on this mount, and I'll be right back. I'll turn it off. Okay. So this is the difference. The lighting is everything. This lighting is everything. I just bumped my finger, so it hurts so bad. So I'm kind of like, oh, and there's the remote. I'm gonna show you the remote that it comes with. I think it would need battery, but this is the remote that it comes with. You can turn down the brightness, you can dim it, and we can do all of these good stuff. Put it out. It hurt my finger real bad. So we're gonna dim it. I'm gonna come closer and try to dim it and see how it looks. And it's just touch. You can change the color. We can go down. We can go up. And that's that. And I'm gonna go down like that. Light. This is really pretty. A pretty color. Yeah, so let me know what you think about this ring light, guys. I think really that's it. Oh, I've got one of these shutter thing in it as well. God, I really hurt my finger really bad. So I got one of these shutter in it as well for like picture taking and stuff. So y'all know what time it is. And yeah, so go check out ubeesize ring light 16-inch. Since it's 16 inches ring light. Yeah. And that's a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel so I can bring you more content. Stay tuned for my next video, guys. Bye.